Hello, this is probably the stupidest fix I had for an app, or at least figured out what happened. So I use OBS for recording my videos and stuff, and usually OBS just works. But I didn't notice it in Hyprland. Like, I'm trying out different things in Hyprland, but I didn't notice it, or maybe it's something I missed something in the configuration. So when I open OBS, let me show you what I mean. So if I do OBS, yeah, it's fine. This is OBS, obviously, and then I'll go to setting, output, and in the recording section, if we see in video encoder, you'll see it's only showing software, and if I click on it, there's not another option. And those of you who use OBS know that if you have a GPU, which I do have, I have a RX 580, I should have a hardware option in here. So this is my Windows configuration. So my Windows OBS has this. For some reason, like, this one doesn't have it. So I got to thinking, like, what could be the issue? And the obvious things are drivers. So maybe OBS is missing some driver. Maybe I need to update them. Maybe something happened. So what do? Let's just close all of this. Let me open up my terminal. For AMD and like even Intel, the default drivers are Mesa. Let me just make this larger. Mesa. So this is the first thing that came to my mind, that maybe my drivers need to be updated, and it's obviously good practice to update your drivers occasionally. I did that. It didn't work. So I thought maybe I should get the AMD proprietary drivers. And the AMD proprietary, it's really hard to say. It's something called AMF, for AMD at least, and in NVIDIA uses NVENC. So since it's AMF, I just googled it, and it's basically A-S, yeah, AMF header. So I thought maybe I needed this, and well, obviously, as you can see, it is installed, so I don't think I need this, but again, it's good to have. So with that, so that wasn't like, those things didn't fix my issue. Again, if you are facing this issue, obviously try this before going anywhere. There's also something called Intel Media SDK, which is for like Intel iGPUs, so we can install them. I think it's from yeah, Intel Media SDK. So you can get this if you have an iGPU, and this usually fixes again that issue right there. Also, I think I installed AMD. Oh yeah, AMD GPU Pro. Just search it. So this is basically, you could say, the proprietary driver for AMD. So also this driver right here, I also thought this might be causing issue, but yeah, it isn't. It's an XOR driver, so yeah, it isn't the issue. Where is it? Oh, yeah, there you go. This one right here, and this is literally the multimedia codec, or the AMF for AMD. So this right here, what the heck? And then like I was like I installed it. So let me do it again. So this didn't fix it, because as you can see, I already had it installed. So now let me just show you. Let me just show you that if it's working or not. So right, OBS, yeah, launch anyway. And in here, if I go to settings and then outputs, yeah, as you can see, it's not working. I don't have it. Then these are basically the basic things you can do. So any drivers may be missing, any driver that like we need to be updating. That's the first thought I had, and I did those things. It didn't work. So then what did I do? There's something called FFmpg. So then there is FFmpg, which is kind of supported, like it supports Mesa to have hardware acceleration, or basically AMF for AMD, that can be used with Mesa to basically work like whatever we're trying to do. FFmpg, yeah, this basically installs it. Also sometimes it's like dependencies or maybe something that like these are the things. So VDPO drivers, Mesa drivers, like DVA, also Mesa DVA utils. So in case some drivers are missing, we can clear that. That's it. Now with all of that out of the way, let me show you like if this works or not. Go to OBS. And then let's go to File, Settings, Output, and yeah, it doesn't work. You wanna know what fixed it? If I just go from outer simple to advanced, that's basically it. Like you can really change from X264 to FFmpeg VA API H264, which is basically a hardware accelerated encoder. VAPI, sorry, not VAPI, a hardware encoder. And yeah, yes, FFmpeg VAAPI supports, enables hardware accelerated encoding and decoding of video formats. So basically, yeah, you can see here video accelerated API. All I had to do was change the output mode from simple to advanced, and then we can extend it. And you can see here, it basically just picks up my GPU right here. It was that simple. It's that easy. And I was like, when I found this out, it was so mildly infuriating. Like I couldn't even be mad, because here, subscribe to the channel and also comment if you had this kind of issue. Not this specifically, if you had some like really little issue or really small issue that you later figured out and it made you mildly infuriated, or maybe like super infuriated. So let me know in the comments down below. Leave a like for the algorithm, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.